we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and related names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you go about saying this name? The most common pronunciation in English is as Rhea, although some people do pronounce it as Rhea, and it's going to be down to every family, every individual. In Germany it is often said, I believe, as Ray, but in English most commonly is as Rhea, but I guess you just have to ask the person. Rhea or Rhea, Rhea or Rhea, one of the two is most likely in English though. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.